All right, we have the first question, and the first question is saying that, let me summarize the first question. The person is saying that I have a sister that is 22 years old, and my sister is in Cameroon, and this person that is talking is in Germany. Now, the sister is supposed to write a course that will bring them to Germany. At the same time, the sister is saying that she has found somebody that she wants to get married to in Cameroon. Don't forget, this sister we're talking about is 22 years old. So, she has found somebody that she wants to get married to in Cameroon, and if she marries this person in Cameroon, it means that she will not be able to come to Germany. Then the person went further to say that this person that the sister wants to get married to does not have a vision, does not have a fixed job, does not have anything doing. Then the person went further to say, should we allow her to get married, or should we bring her to Germany? That's the question that this person is asking. I'm sure that the question is clear enough. All right.